COVID pandemic hasn't been kind to manufacturing sector. Neck deep in losses, the small-scale units are looking towards the government for help. In the Pune industrial area of Bengaluru, 10% of the over 10,000 micro and small-scale units have shut down owing to the pandemic, while rest are struggling to survive. What do the industrialists here hope from the budget 2002? My colleague Revati Rajivan is getting us on this.
For the last 26 years, Shashi Dhara Shetty has been running a small-scale two-wheeler service station manufacturing unit in one of Bengaluru's industrial hubs. However, the last 2 years have been tough for him. His business has gone down by 50%, incurring losses frequently.
The major is it's a capital-intensive industry. Like we get business once the two-wheeler service station expansion happens. Due to pandemic, people are uncertain to invest. To start a service station, they need a huge investment. People are not ready to invest. When they are not investing, we will not get business. So accept some postponement of bank liability. Otherwise, nothing has been done to the industries in this pandemic. Industries, even we can't even delay by 1 day GST. So they will block the e-way form and all. I thought industry, definitely SMEs, they would have postponed the GST liability by 6 months or 1 year. We would have used that fund and industry would have been benefited out of it.
Other units here that diversified have fared better. From manufacturing aerospace components to hydraulics to machine components in a single unit. But there is a frequent rise in the price of raw materials that isn't matched by what is paid by the clients. And more work does not necessarily mean more money anymore.
Steel now earlier 42,000 rupees per ton, but now is 75,000 rupees per ton. But like aluminium per kg is 220, 240 rupees earlier, but now is the same metal 435, 450 rupees per kg. Means it is a, because we take orders now, it is a 6 months, 1 year we have a PPOs. But this level of increase, we are supplying, we are exporting components lot of, but they didn't give that price. We supply, we are very busy, but we are facing a lot of financial problems.
A month ago, industrialists from across Karnataka staged a massive protest, seeking relief from rising input cost, demanding a conducive atmosphere for industries to run. Industrialists are also seeking lesser rate of interest on loans in order to have some support in the unpredictable COVID era.
When they can give the 7-8% loan to the house, even we are expecting that at least for some time they can reduce the interest rate, which is going to help us. What they have done is like they have given all the facility. I'm not saying they have not given any facility, but it is after maybe about 2 years, it is going to be burden because they have given holidays for 2 years. After the 2 years, if the situation didn't improve, then we are going to have problems after 2 years also when the repayment starts. So it is always better that they give some real benefit of reduction in interest rate.
With orders picking up, exports improving and life returning to normalcy slowly, days ahead look bright for the industrial sector. But the micro and small-scale industries are finding it difficult to pick themselves up after this fall. They look for the government to handhold them at least for a while. All eyes now on the union budget. With camera person Santosh Sugar, Revati Rajivan in Bengaluru.